I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Jim Rosenthal. He is CEO and co-founder at BlueVoyant. Jim, it is wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
And it's wonderful to be with you today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now, before we get started, just a quick note to our viewers. This interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE doesn't recommend any investments or investment strategies. All right, so Jim, tell me about the company and your mission.
So our mission is very simple. We defend companies both inside their perimeters and outside their perimeters. Our objective is to give companies the best cyber defense that they need.
Mm-hmm. All right, so we know that cybersecurity is an increasingly crowded space. What makes you different?
We're different in two ways. First, when we defend companies from the interior, we specialize in using Microsoft and in Splunk security products. And we were just this year, we were appointed by the Microsoft Intelligence Security Association as the Managed Security Service Provider of the Year. In other words, we're best in class in defending companies from the inside. From the outside, we have very special capabilities to defend the supply chains of companies, which are where many attacks now come from.
Okay, so talk to me about the latest cybersecurity threats you're seeing.
So we're seeing more and more supply chain attacks where an attacker who tries to get in directly can't because a company like ours stops them. And instead they go after the thousands of suppliers that every large company has and disrupt their operations, which in turn disrupt the upstream operations of the company who could be our client. So we do an annual survey. 98% of those we spoke to last year said their operation had been disrupted on average 3 times by successful attacks within their supply chain. So what we do that's special and different is we defend the supply chain by reaching out to any of the suppliers at any scale that have got a critical vulnerability in their network that an attacker would see, and we help them remediate it. So recently, Forrester just issued a report saying that the companies who work with us have 70% more effective defense of the supply chains, and they're able to do it much faster because of using BlueVoyant.
All right, well, wonderful to talk with you, Jim. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thank you.